Okay, very quickly, I'm going to teach you how to let's first go over to this. I'm trying to open CorelDRAW 2020, but this like this is having an issue. But let's see how it goes. We are trying to work on it right now so that it will open and we'll get to work. So it's opening already. This CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is opening. Let's wait for it. Yeah, finally it's open. So this CorelDRAW is opening. We're almost there. All right, finally it's open. So basically what I want to teach is, all right, so this is CorelDRAW interface. Okay, I just want to teach you how to change this white interface you see here, how to change it to a dark interface, just like we have on Photoshop. So what you do is that you go to where you have tools, okay, and go to options. All right, click on options and then go over to customization. All right, it's very simple. Click on customization and then you click on appearance, okay, and then you go over to where you have theme. All right, just choose black or you choose dark. So I prefer to choose dark, and then you press OK, and that's all. So you have just as you have it on Photoshop. This is the black interface of CorelDRAW. I hope that was simple enough. I'm going to take it again. Go to tools, go to option, go to customization, and then you go over to the theme and then choose exactly what you want and you're good to go. All right, so thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple tips on CorelDRAW. Thank you so much.